A natural number n is such that it has got x factors. First thing, there is a natural number, and these natural number, every natural number will have some factors. There is some natural number n. We have to find out. It's a variable. We have to give it some value to it. This number has got x factors. Okay. The number is multiplied by 2n. The number is multiplied by 2n. The number of factors became 2x factors. The number 3n, the number is multiplied by 3. The number is multiplied by 3. The number of factors became 3x by 2. Find the number of factors of 2n. Find the number of factors of 12n. If you see 99% of the YouTube live classes, what is taught? A natural number will be given. How to find out the factors are taught. How to find out the prime factors. How to find out the composite factors. What if the number is not given? What if it is a variable? How will you find the number of factors? What if the factors are given? How will you find out the natural number? Reverse. A natural number, 12 has got 6 factors. Which natural number has got 6 factors? Reverse gear. You will not find it in the regular YouTube videos. Now see here. Beautiful question, sir. A beautiful question. Write down first. Key point by key point. First we will discuss. Concept. First I will write down concepts. The first key point, every natural number can be written as power of prime basis. Any natural number can be written as power of prime basis. You take any natural number that comes into your mind. Whenever I say a natural number, it could be 1, which has got only 1 factor. It could be a prime number, which has got only 2 factors. And the number which has got greater than 2 factors. A natural number is a combination of, based on the number of factors, there are 3 kinds of numbers. 1, prime and composite. What is a prime number? It has got only 2 factors. It has got only 2 factors. What is a composite number? Number which has got greater than 2 factors. Number which has got greater than 2 factors. Number which has got only 1 factor. Number which has got only 1 factor. It is 1. Based on the number of factors, please make a point in your notebook. Based on the number of factors, a natural number is divided into 3 numbers. One is prime number. A prime number, it is a number which has got only 2 factors. Don't say that a number which has 2 factors, it is a prime number. Every number is divisible by 1 and itself. So every number will have factors 1 and itself. Only 1 and itself. There is a difference between only A and A. I eat only sambar every day. That means every day, whether it is breakfast, lunch or dinner, I will have only sambar. I eat sambar. That means in addition to eating sambar, I can eat any other dish. So a prime number is a number which has got only 2 factors. A composite number is a number which has got greater than 2 factors. A natural number has got only 1 factor. A natural number is a number which is a combination of 1 prime and composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite, because prime it should have only 2 factors. Now what is my statement? Please do not write anything in your notebook if you do not understand the line which I am saying. If you do not understand it, specify it in the comment. I will prove it to you. Please, I do not want anybody to write it without understanding the concept. Every natural number can be written as a power of prime basis. 1 can be written as a power 0. A could be 2 power 0 or 3 power 0 or 5 power 0 and so on. So 1 can be written as a power of prime base. Suppose if it is 7, 7 can be written as 7 power 1. 13 can be written as 13 power 1. If it is a composite number, 6, it can be written as a power of prime basis, 2 into 3. If it is 12, 2 square into 3 power 1. If it is 35, it is 5 into 7. So definitely a composite number can be subdivided into, see, any composite number, you should keep on dividing until you cannot divide. So the number which cannot be divided, it is a prime number. So definitely composite number can be written as a power of prime basis. Write down this first key point. After you understand, listen to the class, keep headphones, or you can watch it, listen to the class, you understood it, then it should be there in your notebook. Every natural number can be written as a power of prime basis. Why we are doing this one? Why? Because the second key point, I am not interested in solving the problem. For me, my problem will be solved if I know the concept. So I will emphasize more on the concept. Suppose 12 is there. 12 is 2 square into 3 power 1. 2 square into 3 power 1. Any natural number can be written as a power of prime basis. So this can be written the powers of 2 square, all the powers of 2. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 3 power 1, powers of 3 is 0. 3 power 0, 3 power 1. If you see here, 1 into 1, 1 is a factor of 12. 1 into 3, 3 is a factor of 12. 2 into 1, 2 is a factor of 12. 4 into 1, 4 is a factor of 12. 2 into 3, 6 is a factor of 12. 4 into 3, 12 is a factor of 12. Why am I doing this? I will explain to you. Now listen carefully, sir. A 12, it is n. N can be written as power of prime basis. P1 power P, P2 power P, or P3 power C. 1 is a factor for every number. 1 can be written as P1 power 0. So it is P1 power 0 to P1 power A. P2 power 0 to P2 power B. P3 power 0 to P3 power C. How many combinations we got? From 0 to A. 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are there. 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are there. 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 numbers are there. From 0 to A, number of factors will be A plus 1. 0 to B, number of factors will be B plus 1. 0 to C, number of factors will be C plus 1. This is the number of factors. Listen carefully, sir. Every question you will learn a concept. This is the number of factors. Any natural number, we just discussed in the first key point, any natural number can be written as a power of prime basis. P1 power A, P2 power B, P3 power C. Number of factors will be 0 to A plus 1, 0 to B, B plus 1, 0 to C, C plus 1. What are P1, P2, P3? P1, P2, P3. These are called the prime basis. I hope the idea it is clear. These are called the prime basis. The slide 2 talks about how to determine the number of factors. Why we are doing into, why we are not doing plus. From 0 to A, it is A plus 1. From 0 to B, it is B plus 1. Now see here, whenever there is no choice, it is multiplication. Whenever there is no choice, it is multiplication. Whenever it is and function. Whenever there is no choice, it is an AND function. We have to use multiplication. There is no choice. Suppose a person has to go from A to B, B to C. There are A1, A2, B1, B2, and C1, C2. A to B, B to C, A to B1, like this. So many ways are there. Are you all with me? He has to go from A to B and then go from B to C. There is no choice to go from A to C. Immediately, definitely has to go through B. Whenever in permutation and combination, 99% of the students get confused in permutation and combination because their fundamentals are not clear. Read the question. Is there a choice in the question? If there is a choice in the question, then you have to do addition. If there is a choice in the question, then you have to do addition, or you have to do OR function. Then you have to do OR function. If there is a choice in the question, then you need to do addition, or you need to use OR function. This should be there in your notebook. Otherwise, you will struggle in permutation and combination. Now look at this question. Now look at this question. P1 power A, P1 power 0, P1 power 1, P1 power A. Is there a choice? I should take 0, I should take 1, I should take P1 square, I should take P1 cube, I should take 0 to A. 0 to A. 0 to A plus 1. A plus 1. Now listen carefully. Either I can take P1 power 0, or I should take P1 power 1, or I should take P1 square, or I should take P1 power A. Either this or this. If I take 2 power 0 with 3 power 1, one factor. With this, one factor. Either this or this. Either this or this. Whenever it is an OR function, I need to add 0 to A. How many cases? A plus 1. Here, P2 power 0, P2 power 1, P2 power B. Either 0 or 1 or B. 0 to B, B plus 1. I should take this. Then to get the number of factors, I should take this and this and this. Then only the combination I will get. And is multiplication. Therefore, it is into. I hope this concept is clear. I hope this concept is clear. Why it is A plus 1? I can take P1 power 0 or P1 power 1 or P1 power A. Whenever there is an OR function, it is an addition. 0 to A, it is A plus 1. 0 to B, it is B plus 1. 0 to C, it is C plus 1. I should take this and I should take this and I should take this. And is nothing but no choice. It is multiplication. Are you all with me? A plus 1 into B plus 1 into C plus 1. Right after the class is over, if you are standing and delivering the class, if any student asks a doubt, you should say, this doubt, this is the answer, this doubt, this is the answer, next doubt, the next problem I'm going to answer, any other doubts. That is the kind of clarity my student should have when he is listening to me in the live class. 0 to A plus 1, 0 to B, B plus 1, 0 to C, C plus 1. Sir, why did we do this? We did this. Why? Because question is referring to factors. We should know how to determine the factors. Sir, why did we do this? Because it is a natural number. I will connect the natural number by writing power of prime bases with the number of factors. I hope it is clear. Now, another important key point. Listen carefully, sir. When I multiply the number by 2, the number of factors, it is changing. Oh, that means if I multiply the number by 2, number of factors, it is changing. The number should have a power prime number which is 2. The number is getting multiplied by 3. The number of factors are changing. It's a beautiful question. Neither the natural number is given nor the number of factors are given. Generally level 1, this value will be given, this value he will ask. Level 2, this value will be given, this value he will ask. Level 3, neither this value nor this value it is given. But please write down in your notebook. There are some hints that this question is giving to me. What is the hint? This natural number is multiplied by 2. Number of factors are getting doubled. Number should have a power 2. Number is getting multiplied by 3. The number of factors are changing. Number should have power 3. That is important. Find the number of factors of 12n. That we will solve it. I hope the clarity in the question should be very clear, sir. Once you get a clarity, Once you get a clarity, then the question can be solved anywhere. Step number 1. Now I'll solve it by using step by step. Very, very good problems which explains a lot of concepts. You will understand, sir. Step number 1. Every natural number can be written as a power of prime basis. 2 power a into 3 power b into 5 power c into 7 power d, and so on. And so on. 2 power a into 3 power b into 5 power c into 7 power d, and so on. Now listen carefully. The number is focusing on. Let me write the question here, small steps. Number is x factors, 2n is 2x factors, 3n is 3x by 2. Number will have x factors, number will have x factors, 2n will have 2x factors, and 3n will have 3x by 2 factors. 3n will have 3x by 2 factors. This is the question. So, number is multiplied by 2, it is number of factors are changing. Number is multiplied by 3, number of factors are changing. Now, if you see here, what will be the factors? I will curtail this value because question is saying that number multiplied by 2, number of factors are changing. Number multiplied by 3, number of factors are changing. My entire attention is on 2 power a into 3 power b. These all values you can easily prove that it will be 5 power 0, 7 power 0, and so on. So what will be the factors of n? Factors of n will be, just now I discussed, 0 to a plus 1, 0 to b plus 1, a plus 1 into b plus 1. Is the idea clear? Which is given clearly in the question, that number of factors are x. Number of factors are x. Now, there are some hints that question gave it to me to get the answer. Step 2, the natural number is multiplied by 2. So if it is 2n, this will become 2 into 2 power a into 3 power b. Why this is nullified? Because number multiplied by 2, number of factors are changing. Number multiplied by 3, number of factors are changing. Focus is only on 2 and 3. So this will become 2 power a plus 1 into 3 power b. Are you all with me? So let me find out the factors of 2n which is given in the question. Factors of 2n will be 0 to a plus 1. It will be a plus 2. 0 to b. It will be b plus 1. How many factors are given? It is given as 2x factors. It is given as 2x factors. Some teachers will tell you subtract step 2 minus step 1. It will be complicated. Step number 3. Step number 3. Divide step number 1 by step number 2. Somewhere there is a possibility that you will get the value of a or b. So step number 1 is a plus 1 into b plus 1 divided by a plus 2 into b plus 1. It is equivalent to x by 2x. Are you all with me? Now if you observe carefully, b plus 1 cancel, x is cancel, a plus 1 is 1, a plus 2 is 2. Question itself it is saying a is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 2 is 2, or cross multiply. 2a plus 2 equivalent to a plus 2, a is 0. Step number 4. Step number 4. Just to go step by step, you will get the answer. 3n. So 3n will become, let me use a different color. 3n will become 2 power a into 3 power b plus 1. So this will be number of factors for 3n will be, number of factors for 3n will be 0 to a plus 1, 0 to b plus 1, 0 to b plus 1, b plus 2. It is equivalent to 3x by 2. It is equivalent to 3x by 2. Are you all with me? Very, very good question, sir. Then step number 5. Then step number 5. Divide step number 1 by step number 4. Same like what we did. We will get some other value. Step number 1 is a plus 1 into b plus 1. Step number 4 is a plus 1 into b plus 2 equivalent to x by 3x by 2. X cancel, 2 by 3. So this will become, this is b plus 2. b plus 1 by b plus 2 equivalent to 2 by 3. By looking at the question, b equivalent to 1. Are you all with me? We got from x with, I divided n with 2n, then I divided n with 3n with the number of factors. I got the value of a and b. Then the problem is easy. Problem will become n equivalent to, a is 0, 3 is 3 power 1. 12n I require. 12n is 2 square into 3 into 2 power 0 into 3 power 1. 2 power 2 into 3 power 2. 3 3s are 9. So how many factors are there? 9 factors are there. 3 3s are 9. I hope the idea it is clear. What is the question that he is asking? So what is a value? 0. What is b value? X value, it is 2. X value, it is 2. So this, it can be written as 9 into 2 by 2. Answer is 9x by 2. Answer is 9x by 2. Level 3. Level 3. Level of difficulty 3. A classic question from factors and multiples, where if a number is given, we can find the factors. If a factors are given, we can find multiple numbers. What if the number and the factors both are not given? Level 3. In my class, please expect some very, very good conceptual questions discussed in the class and the ways to solve the questions. I hope it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Idea it is clear. Number has x factors, number has 2n factors. I discussed the number of factors, how to compute, how to write down the number of factors. Step 1, step 2. It is simple. Write down, find the number of factors, find the number of factors, divide. Find the number of factors, divide. You will get the value of a and b. You will get the value of a and b. Beautiful question. Please put a star mark on this question. Please put a star mark on this question. What you do is, as a practice, try to solve this question by using the same logic. A natural number 2n has 12 factors. If I multiply it by 3, it will have 15 factors. It will have 15 factors. If I multiply it by 6n, how many factors it will have? This is one question where most of the students will take a lot of time, but you know the process. A number multiplied by 2, number of factors are 12. Number multiplied by 3, it is 15 factors. It is a take-home assignment so that you will understand this concept thoroughly. Take-home assignment. How to solve this question? Step number 1, I'll give an idea, but it is you who need to solve it. Number multiplied by 2, number multiplied by 3. So n equivalent to 2 power a into 3 power b. 2n will become 2 power a plus 1 into 3 power b. Number of factors, a plus 1, b plus 1. This is a plus 2 into b plus 1. It is 12. Are you all with me? Number 3n, 2 power a into 3 power b plus 1. A plus 1 into b plus 2. A plus 1 into b plus 2. It is 15. It is 15. I hope the idea it is clear. A plus 2 into b plus 1 divided by a plus 1 into b plus 2. Now use your common sense and try to solve this question. I hope the idea it is clear. What you can do is, you can divide this value and try to put some natural number values which will give you the answer. This is 4 and it is 5. Which value will give 5? 5 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. So if I keep b value 3, this will become a plus 2 into 4 divided by a plus 1 into 5 equivalent to 4 by 5. 4 by 5. From there, check it out whether you are getting the value. Or take b value 8. Why we are taking b value 3 or 8? Because denominator is a multiple of 5. It can be derived from either A or B, or what you can do is, another way to solve is do 3 minus 2. Let me call it as 1, let me call it as 2, let me call it as 3. 3 minus 2. If I do 3 minus 2, this will become AB plus 2A. I'm just giving another idea. Plus 2 minus of AB plus A plus 2B plus 2 equivalent to 3. AB minus AB cancel. 2A minus A plus 2 minus 2 cancel. A minus B equivalent to 3. A minus B. A minus B. Am I right? So, this is nothing but 12 by 5. I subtracted it. AB minus AB cancel. 2A minus A. From there, factorize 3 as 1 into 3. Try to solve this question. This question, immediately, each and every student after the class is over, try to do it. Do some pen pushing, solve it. In case if you are not getting it, I am always available to take the doubts in the next session. Idea it is clear.